Hello friends, welcome back to the Bunny video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone erase data setting means guys you want to erase guys your phone all data guys means factory reset guys you want to reset your phone. So how can you reset? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we erase all data means how can we reset our Poco phone. Guys, first of all, what will you have to do to reset? Guys, open your phone setting. So you can see guys your phone Poco phone this type of setting. So how to reset Poco phone? Friends, you can see your about phone guys, tap here and scroll. Friends, you can see your factory reset means erase all data. So friends, you can see your erase all data guys you want to erase, you can erase from here. Guys, you can see guys erase the following items guys: account, contact, photos and video, apps, backups, SD card, other items or on this device guys. This all thing will erase in your phone guys. You will have to click here, then guys this you can see na erase all data, you can erase from here if you want. So like that guys, you can erase your all data in your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye guys.